Welcome, my name's Anna Pasani from AZ Solutions, and I'm going to show you a selection technique. What we often have is a very long list, and to be selecting this, it can take forever or the screen can roll uncontrollably away from you and it becomes a pain in the butt, in a nutshell. So the keystroke we can use is Control Shift and arrow down, and this will jump to where there is a blank cell and select all the way up to there. Now once you've selected and you've gone all the way down, we often may want to go back to the top so that we can then see what we were doing in that area. If you want to keep that selection there, hold Control and hit the backspace key, and that will keep the information selected but take you back up. Now another way to select blocks of data, you can use that technique, but just keep in mind that if there are blank cells all the way down, when you do Control Shift arrow down, it is going to stop where there is a blank below it, and Control Shift and arrow up to go back up. If you want to select a large block of data and you know for sure that you don't have anything all the way across that way and you don't have anything all the way across down the bottom, and you want to capture from this point all the way across and down, then Control Shift and pressing the End key will do that for you. Control and backspace will get you to the top to your first selection area there. Remember to subscribe. We're always adding new videos, so have a look, subscribe and hit the little bell so that you get the notifications. You'll also have in the descriptions below a link that will give you the exercise files as well so that you can practice along.